Welcome to Allworx. Let's look at and modify the details of a personal contact. Let's look at the details of an Allworx user contact. Press the Contact Function button to open the contact listing screen, and use the up and down navigations to find and highlight Bianca Anderson. As you can see, there is a presence icon next to Bianca's name. This particular icon means that she is in a meeting right now. Now, press the Details soft key to display her contact details. The contact's detail screen information includes Bianca's contact image, and the red triangle in the upper left corner indicates to us that Bianca is an Allworx user contact. Bianca's name. A presence icon indicating that Bianca is in a meeting. A favorite status, in this case active, and her contact ID information. If we were to scroll down further, we would see the account used to create this contact listing. However, the red triangle in the upper left corner of the contact image already gives us this information. Finally, because Bianca is an Allworx user contact, the only modification that we can make to her listing is to adjust the favorite status using the More function button and the soft keys. So, let's press the back soft key to return to the contact listing screen. One other thing about Allworx user contacts and their BLF status. If you remember from a moment ago, Bianca had her presence set to In a Meeting, and we could see this presence icon on the contact listing screen. For BLF status, let's look at Charles Bailey. Use the up and down navigation buttons to highlight his contact listing. Charles has his BLF status set to Do Not Disturb, as indicated by the yellow bar and icon on each side of his contact image on the contact listing screen. Other BLF statuses that display on the contact listing screen are shown with J. Baker, red flashing, which means the contact has an incoming call, or red solid, which means the contact is on an active call. Let's look at the details of an Allworx personal contact. And while we are in there, we should look at modifying the contact. Let's give Chris Allen a new phone number and update his organization. Press the Contact Function button and use the up and down navigation buttons to find and highlight the contact listing for Chris. Then press the Details soft key. The Verge phone may ask you to log in depending on your contact settings. If asked, enter your PIN number and then press the Done soft key. His contact details display. If we use the navigation buttons to scroll to the bottom of the page, we can see that the account type is Allworx Personal, so we can modify Chris directly from the phone. The first thing we want to do is add a new work number for Chris. Press the Add Number soft key and then select a label. In our case, let's select the work label using the Verge Phone Select button. Now let's enter his new work number in the field provided and press the Done soft key. Let's use the Up navigation button to scroll back to the top of the details screen. Since Chris has two phone numbers available, let's choose a default number to dial. Highlight the work number and press the Select button to open the options screen. As you can see on the screen, we can change the current number, change the number label, set this number as the default number to dial, or delete this phone number. Use the up and down navigation buttons to highlight the Set as Default option, and then press the Select button. As you can see, the blue check is next to the work number, which is now the default number to dial. So, let's use the down navigation buttons to scroll to the Organization field and press the Select key. This opens the organization screen so we can enter Chris Allen's company using the keypad. When finished, press the Done soft key to save the update. The new organization displays on the screen. Other modifications that we can make on the detail screen using the More Function button and the soft keys are update the favorite status or delete this user. Just remember that you might have to press the More Function button more than once to see these additional options. At this time, you must use the Reach or Interact Professional applications to manage the contact image for Chris on the Verge 9308 or the Verge 9312 IP phone. The Verge 9304 IP phone only supports personal contacts entered on that phone. Therefore, you cannot add a personal contact image to your entry. When you are finished, press the back soft key to return to the contact screen. Thanks for learning about our contact feature. Be sure to check out our other videos that explain how to manage the personal contacts on the Verge IP phone, as well as the Reach and Interact Professional applications.